Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did this really fun summer hairstyle starting on freshly washed hair. And yeah, my hair definitely needs some TLC, so I'll be using two products from Uncle Funky's daughter, the Thirsty Curls and Curly Magic. I tied the remainder of my hair back so I can work on these two front sections. I made sure that the parts are nice and clean because I am experiencing postpartum hair loss. My hair is fragile and I don't want any more snagging, any more extraness. I want to take really good care of my hair. I added just a little bit of water to my hair, so when I do add this Curly Magic, it's a curly stimulator and it really helps to style my hair, give me some hold, also to help define my curls. For this front section, I'm not defining my curls. I will in the back when I do my twist. I just want to make sure that I do have a really nice foundation. So I'm using this as my styler and I'm going to create my first flat twist. I do have a video on how I flat twist my hair, which I will link in the description box. And I'm securing the first flat twist with 2 rubber bands. I like to double my rubber bands up so it has extra security. So if one pops, I'll still be okay. And I'm gonna do a braid downwards, and I wanna make sure that my hair is nice and smooth. Trust me, I'm being very gentle with my hair. These clips are sped up. I added a little bit more of the Curly Magic just to make sure that this braid is nice and smooth, and I'm gonna braid it about 3/4 of the way. I didn't wanna braid it all the way down because I will be doing a twist, and I just wanted to add some fun texture to the remainder of this hair. Like I said, I'm stopping about 3/4 of the way and I'm going to secure this braid with 1 rubber band, and I'm going to do a single 2-strand twist, and I'm going to add a perm rod so I can curl the remainder of the hair. Like I said, this style is all about playing with textures, just having fun. I love summer. Summer is my favorite season, and when I think about summer, I just think about sunshine, just really having some fun and playing around. And this style is definitely one that you can have fun, play with textures. Even if you don't want to do a braid and twist, you could do a twist, a braid, just play with it. You could do a perm rod, you could have it curl all the way around. I just thought that this would be fun. So I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side, doing a flat twist, adding some water, the Curly Magic, smoothing it in, flat twisting my hair, braiding, doing a 2-strand twist, and adding a perm rod. Now that this front little section is all styled, I'm going to smooth down the remainder of this hair. I'm going to add some more water, one for moisture, also just to make sure that my hair is a little bit more pliable. I'm adding a little bit more of the Curly Magic, and this is going to help smooth down my hair. I will be taking a brush just to help make sure that my hair is smooth and that there's no flyaways. I really like the consistency of this styler. It's like a custard. It's not heavy and it's not lightweight. It has a really nice balance. I find that my hair can get smooth and styled whether I'm doing a twist out, wash and go, and in this instance I'm just smoothing down my hair, and I am going to secure it with 2 doubled rubber bands in the back. This way I find that my hair really stays nice and smooth for the duration of the style and it doesn't lift at all. All right, now that the front section is all styled, I'm ready to work on the remainder of the hair, and I'm just going to 2-strand twist all of this. So many of you know me for my twist outs, so you know how I do it. But of course, if you're new here or you just need a little refresher, I'm going to show you how I do it. And like I said, I am still experiencing my postpartum hair loss and the whole postpartum hair fiasco. So my hair is not as manageable as it normally is, but I am getting through it. I'm just making sure that my hair stays nice and moisturized. It is helping. It's just a process that I have to get through. I find that to have a really nice juicy twist out, you want to make sure your hair is nice and moisturized. So I do add water as I go. I just want to make sure that my hair is able to absorb the styler. In this case, it's the Curly Magic. And I do apply about a quarter size amount and just smooth it in my hair along with the rat tail comb. And even though it is a rat tail comb, it is not ripping my hair out because it's so sturdy. It just really makes sure that my hair cuticle stays nice and smooth so that I don't have all that flyaways and excess frizz for the finished style, because I want to avoid that. Once I twist my hair all the way down nice and snug, I do twirl the ends about a good 5 to 10 times. I just want to make sure that the ends are nice and curled. That way my hair, again, it doesn't have that excess frizz, and when I try to separate the twist, that my hair is not pulling apart and just, you know, creating that friction at the ends, because that I find will create unnecessary frizz, or just the curls at the ends, they're not as defined. That whole definition, it just takes your twist out to the next level. So I want to make sure that my hair does stay nice and smooth for the whole twist. And I'm twirling the ends of the hair with my finger just to make sure that I do have that defined curl at the end. And I'm just going to continue this process for the remainder of the section. And after styling all of my hair, I'm ready to wrap it up for the night. I do like air drying my hair, and it took me about an hour and a half to do. In the name of self-care, I'm just taking my time more and more these days. I did fold a scarf up just to make sure that the front of my hair stayed smooth and flat, and then I put a bonnet on. It's the next day, and I'm ready to show you what I'm working with. And when I do my hair, I like to work back to front. It just makes more sense to me this way. So I'm going to unravel the twist starting from the back. And look at that definition. I'm also going to separate each curl about 3 times just to add some more volume. And for a little more volume, I'm gonna take this pick and pick at the root. I'm just lifting about 2 to 3 inches. I don't wanna pick through the curl. That will just destroy the curl. Next, I removed the perm rods and they were a little tight, so I did go back and spritz a little water just to help loosen it up so the curls at the end weren't so tight. And this looks a lot better. I really like how the hairstyle is turning out. And of course, because I'm extra, I wanted to add some gold accessories. I thought the seashell would be really nice and applicable because, you know, in the summertime you go to the beach, and what's at the beach? Seashells. So this is very on par with the summer theme. And when I looked at my little side mirror, I was like, yes, girl, you are rocking this style. This style is for you. And of course, I am going to add just 2 more gold accessories right where the flat twist ends and the braid began. And yes, this really tied the whole style together, and I was just feeling myself way too much. I mean, it's really cute, and these days I just, you know, I spend a lot of time being a mom, and I just wanted to get myself together, feel good, feel special. I hope you really enjoy this hairstyle. Let me know down below in the comments. And again, I love Uncle Funky's Daughter products. You know, I've been using them for years and years.